Welcome to SMF Street. Once again, this is for the stockmarketpending.com traders. They're trading with their direct access platform on a 60-minute chart right here called Dendreon. And basically down here in our mathematical market maker prices is that we're going to start lining this market down here. And in order to get the right thing, we're going to go over to the brain. We'll put the brain in the video here. And basically, we're going to click on our deltas there. And we're going to take a look at what's below this market. And that 42.46 is where we're looking at. And that's going to be in our pricing mechanism, 42.46. I'm just looking at the complete market. So that's going to be right in here. And basically, where are we at? We're 53 by 75. Here we are. We're in that row automatically. We got a strong bar on the 60-minute. That IR is above 20. We put in the low. We bounced. We traded all of that out correctly. So I'm going to start putting my orders in below the market in case I break below my brain range. If I break below, let's say 15 here, I'm going to put my prices out, and I'm going to start my pricing again down toward this bottom at 42.51. So I sold into strength. We already made our move on the 3-minute, but now I'm going to go back down here and I'm going to go to 42.51 in my system, 42.51, and I'm going to start scaling shares there. And basically, this is the best price below the market for now during an FOMC meeting. So I'm also going to go back to the brain. And if the brain has to fall weak in this intraday range, it's got to go below 15 for me to get those prices. Otherwise, I ain't going to see them. However, I'm going to go down and I'm going to start scaling this at 32 in the brain here. I'm going to go over and I'm going to find my prices. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get down in that negative range here. And I'm going to start looking at what my ratios are. And I'm going to scale this price right in here. And basically, I'm going to scale that price right there. I'm going to scale that 42.36 right here in this line. This is where I'm going to go. And basically, I'm going to put out another 200 shares down there at 36 cents. That's what's in the brain, and I'm going to hit buy. So now I got 400 shares out there. I'm also going to go back to my brain on a 3-minute level. And on the 3-minute level, I can see what's going on here in the video. You can see here in your application 3-minute chart that half of that bar is important. That's 82 cents. If we stay above a certain mark here, we can break higher, and I wouldn't get those prices. However, that's the 3-minute chart, and I'm using the 60. I'm also going to put out 200 shares at 45 cents down here. And now I'm going to hit buy. And I'm below the market. I know the reason why I won't get that. I do know that right now I've got to break down in the intraday range in order to get that price. This is a 60-minute bar. And I'm scaling this whole area down. This is that short sell on the day, and this is that bottom, and there's that bounce. I also know, though, that on the 60-minute chart, when I raise up your info panel, MMTs, is that when I click on this 15-minute bar, which is right here, it's very powerful, and that's 42.74. So write that down. In order to get momentum to the next half bar up here at 43.25, you're going to have to take out this 60-minute bar down here at 42.74 and close above half of that 15-minute bar in your platform. But we're scaling the lower end of the bid in case the intraday range falls below 15, back down toward below 10, and at 0 and 5 would put that scalability right here on those limit orders that I just did for you. Okay? Until the brain tells me otherwise.